Judge, this is the case of In My Feelings.
Thank you. Today we have a couple whose relationship in real life is being destroyed by their relationship online. It's a common problem these days. Let's see if we can work it out.
Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Lynn Toler presiding.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here today with Raymond Harper and Christian McCormick. The two of you have been together for 4 years. You do not, however, believe you can stay together any longer. Therefore, you have come to see me. I also have in this courtroom Dravon Wright, and you are Mr. Ray's best friend and caregiver, and you have something to say about all of this. We also have Mr. Harper is seeking $1,000 to be reimbursed for 2 months of rent, and we will talk about that momentarily. But before we do, I'm going to start with Mr. Harper, otherwise known as Roland Ray.
You know what? It's given very much how you doing, Your Honor, Miss Judge Lynn Toler. Christian for the past 6 years, you know, also on give or take, you know what I'm saying?
Just acting like it didn't happen.
He's gonna find out. First, I gotta remove this one.
All that went on, and this is the go ahead.
That's what it was given. So we've been talking for the past 6 or 7 years, give or take. Your Honor, when I first turned 18, I moved out of my mother's house because I was an independent person. I wanted to show my mother that I can do what I want to do is give all that all back. So I got my own apartment. Me being at the age of 17 going on 18, I was like, hey, babe, I got a new apartment. Oh, it's given. What's up? You want to move in? You know what I'm saying? Peaches and creams and applesauce. Yeah, all that. So then, yes, calm down, Nick. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Then, Your Honor, all bad. He moves in. Everything is going good. You know what I'm saying? He brings his clothes. They kind of stink.